In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a scrolling Behance presentation. If you want your portfolio or case study to feel clean, modern, and professional, creating a scrolling presentation on Behance is one of the best ways to showcase your work. Instead of uploading multiple separate images, you'll design one long visual layout that smoothly scrolls from top to bottom, creating a seamless viewing experience for anyone visiting your project. To begin, open Behance in your browser. From the homepage, click on Share Work and then select Project. This will open the project editor, which is where your final presentation will be uploaded and published. Leave this tab open for now, because we'll return to it later. Next, head over to Canva and start a new design by clicking Create. Choose the Custom Size option so you can set the exact dimensions for your presentation. Enter 1920 for the width. This size works well for Behance and displays nicely on most desktop screens. For the height, choose the length you want for your presentation. This is what creates the scrolling effect. Instead of building several different pages, you'll be designing one tall canvas that tells a complete visual story from beginning to end. Think of it like a continuous presentation where the introduction appears at the top, followed by your process, visuals, details, and final results as viewers scroll downward. Once your canvas is ready, begin arranging your content vertically, from top to bottom. Keep your spacing consistent and organize your sections clearly so the layout feels smooth and easy to follow. Use large, readable text and strong contrast between colors to improve visibility and make each section stand out. If you're displaying interface designs, product mockups, or screenshots, try aligning them carefully so the overall composition feels balanced. You can also add subtle dividers or background sections to separate different parts of the presentation without interrupting the scrolling flow. After finishing the design, click Share in the top corner of Canva and choose Download. Select PNG as the file format to maintain sharp image quality, then download the file. Depending on how tall your design is and how many graphics it contains, the export process may take a little time. Now return to your Behance project editor. Choose the Image option and upload the PNG file you exported from Canva. Behance will display it as one continuous image block, allowing visitors to scroll naturally through the entire presentation without sudden breaks or interruptions. Before publishing, review the full image carefully inside the editor. Make sure the spacing feels even, the text remains readable, and your important visuals are centered properly throughout the layout. You've successfully created a smooth scrolling Behance presentation using one tall Canva design for a polished and uninterrupted showcase. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.